Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask on Android for US Web3 onboarding, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download MetaMask on your Android device, start by unlocking your phone. Open the Google Play Store app. In the search bar at the top, type MetaMask. Tap the search icon to begin the search. Locate the MetaMask app in the search results. Make sure it is the official app by checking the developer's name, which should be ConsenSys. Tap on the MetaMask app to open its page. Next, tap the green Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap Get Started. If you are new to MetaMask, select Create a new wallet. Read through the terms and conditions, and then tap I agree. Create a strong password for your wallet and enter it in the given fields. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Tap Next to move on to the next step. You will receive a secret recovery phrase that you need to keep safe. This phrase is important for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Tap Next to continue, and you'll be prompted to confirm your recovery phrase. Select the correct words in the order they were presented. After confirming, tap Next one last time. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your MetaMask wallet. You can now explore Web3 applications, manage your assets, and securely interact with decentralized platforms. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app's features for a smoother onboarding experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.